everybody, good evening and welcome to Gracebreed Believers Assembly. It's our 3rd year anniversary theme, Feast of Fat Things, and tonight is our music concert. I am Annie Williams Okpeke, and with me here I have and we are your hosts for tonight. God bless you. So I would like to know, what was it like for you tonight? What was your experience like?
My God, it was heaven on earth. Like it was mind blowing.
Okay.
It was mind blowing. Like it was more like what I expected and even more.
Wow.
Yeah, it was more like what I expected and even more. And I want to give God all the glory. God was glorified. Everyone I ministered was, God took all the glory. God took all the glory.
Yes, thank God.
Amazing.
And by the way, your ministration was awesome. Thank you so much, ma, for coming. We're hoping to see you next time in our 40th anniversary.
This is my child. I don't understand the next time.
Who knows if you want to travel? Thank you so much for coming. So how was your experience tonight? What was the highlight of the service for you like today?
This evening service was a beautiful one, like a very, very beautiful one. The time our pastor came in, that's your father, he came up and he said some words, and those words really inspired me, and that really was the highlight for me.
Okay, can you pick points, any word, like that particular word he said?
He spoke about his life before becoming a Christian, and how he became a Christian, and I could relate that to my life. And seeing where God has brought us from and where we are right now, it's been a blessing to us. It's been a blessing. My pastor is a friend to his. So, and I can't but see the grace of God working here. I was here. The last time I was here was 2 years ago.
Oh wow!
That was the last time I was here, and I'm back here, and I'm seeing the improvement that God has made. And really, really Gracebreed.
Yes, actually, yes, we are Gracebreed.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for coming. We're hoping to see you next year in our 40th anniversary.
By the grace of God.
Thank you so much. Welcome once again.
Wow, I was mightily blessed. I am so glad that I came.
Whoa.
Every person that stood on that podium blessed my life.
Wow, thank God.
I'm so grateful, and I congratulate
Thank you.
Happy 3rd year.
Thank you so much. Your ministration was great, by the way. Thank you so much, ma. Thank you. Hoping to see you in our 40th anniversary.
Amen.
Thank
I say amen to that.
Yeah.
My highlight was when the man who groomed our came to celebrate with us. I mean, that was a big deal for me. Even our biological parents these days find a lot of excuses as to why they can't grace our occasions. But our daddy's daddy, he came and he celebrated with us alongside his wife. That was the highlight of it.
Yeah. Thank you so much tonight. Thank you so much, ma. So we hope to see you next time.
Definitely.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I need a hug.